Departure UPS 776, leaving 2.5, climbing to 5,000.
It's 776, full departure radar contact, climb maintaining 10,000.
10,000 UPS 776. Approach UPS 776.
776, Louisville.
Yeah, we got a little flat disagree problem here that we're probably going to need to eventually come back to Louisville, but we're going to need some time to go through some checklists.
Alright, what altitude would you like to do that at?
10,000 is fine.
You want to stay at 10?
Yeah, 10,000.
776, Heavy, roger. Turn left direct Mystic and let's make 10-mile legs at Mystic at 10. Can you do 9 for departure?
Yeah, we do whatever you want.
Yeah, 9's good. Just turn left direct Mystic and we'll hold out there. Let me know what else you need.
Alright, we're going to be direct to Mystic and we'll go back to 9,000 UPS 776.
And UPS 776, you can hold within 10 nautical miles of Mystic. Turn at your discretion and just advise when you're ready to come back in.
Alright, 10-mile legs at Mystic and our discretion on the 10-mile legs UPS 776.
The 776 needed to come back south.
And UPS 776, we're in the turn now.
The 776, Ken, hold southeast of Mystic. You got a stream coming in from the west.
Okay, stand by. And UPS 776, what do you want us to do as far as the hold?
UPS 776, hold southeast of Mystic. Say like a 140 radio off Mystic.
Okay, we'll put that in. Just stand by for a moment. 776. 10-mile leg still okay?
Yeah, that's fine. And we got a stream coming in over Cherry now, and just want to keep you out of their way and then out of yours.
Okay, hang on. We'll see if we can get this in there.
Low approach UPS 913, 11,000, Cherry, slowing to 250 knots with kilo ramp 9er.
It's 913, 10,000 normal speed for now, 35 left.
35 left, normal speed, and just confirm the descent is 10,000 UPS 913.
Correct, and expect 35 left.
35 left, down to 10,000 UPS 913, normal speed.
And UPS 776, we're in the hold now on the 140 radio.
Okay, 776, roger, thanks.
Sure.
Approach UPS 776.
UPS 776, go ahead.
Yeah, we got a flight control issue. We're going to return to Louisville, declare an emergency at this time.
UPS 776, roger. And I'm just going to maintain 4,000, expect to land runway 35 left.
Alright, 4,000, and we'll expect 35 left, UPS 776.
776, and you're clear to the Louisville International Airport via turn right heading 100.
Right turn heading 100, UPS 776.
UPS 776, when able, souls on board and fuel remaining.
Alright, we got 4 souls on board and 3 hours and 45 minutes of fuel.
UPS 776, roger. UPS 776, contact approach on 120.3, good night.
120.3, good night, UPS 776. Tower UPS 776, ILS 35 left.
UPS 776, Louisville Tower, wind 230 at 10, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 left, UPS 776.
Cool. So the aircraft on about a 5-mile final will be the next to land. Is that emergency?